So what we're going to do here is mainly try to form this. So what is input here? The input is x minus h. This is our input here. And this is a function of r. So that means we're going to take this input and place it in the function for r. Simply r is going to be this, right? So let's plug it in. Okay, so we're going to plug here h minus 3, and we're going to plug h minus 3 here. So f h minus 3 is going to be now h minus 3 minus 4 times h minus 3 plus 1 to the second power. Okay, now let's simplify this. So this is going to be h minus 7 when I combine these two. And then when I combine these two numbers, it's going to be h minus 2 squared. And that is this. But it's given that this is equal to 0. So we know that this equals 0. So I'm just going to put here 0. So 0 equal to h minus 7 times h minus 2 squared. Now, this equation is already in the factored form. So when you have the equation in the factored form, and if it's equal to 0, then you're just going to set each factor to 0. And by the way, this is h minus 2 squared, so that's the same as this. So let me just expand this a little bit more. So this is h minus 2 times h minus 2. Squared means you just write 2 copies of h minus 2. Now we have 3 factors, but 2 factors are the same. So we're just going to get one solution there when you set it to 0. So set each factor to 0 now. The first factor is h minus 7. You set this to 0. So then h equals 7. That's one solution. And h minus 2 equals 0. Add 2 to both sides, h equals 2. So I set one of them to 0 because this is the same as that. That's going to give us the same solution. So we have 2 solutions in this case. So it's 2 or 7. So you can just pick one value for the h. H could be 2, h could be 2, or h could be 7. These are your possible choices. So then you can just pick one of the choice.